subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forum.
इनके साथ बैठ के फिलहाल मुझे बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स याद आ रहे हैं, जैसे मुंडा कुक्कड़ कमालदा, सच अ हार्ट थ्रॉब जी। पर फिलहाल इनकी वाइफ के लिए 4 वर्ड ही सही है, इश्क विश्क प्यार।
Ah, thank you, buddy.
So
Thank
आज
you so
we are
much.
going to do 33 questions with Gibran.
Oh, lovely.
And
Exciting.
So the first one is, what is the first thing you do when you wake up?
Check my phone.
Okay. What is the useless talent that you feel you have?
A useless talent. I can sing very loudly and anywhere, any song. Yes.
Nice. The weirdest thing you have ever eaten?
Weirdest thing I've ever eaten. मुझे वो भाजिया वाजिया नहीं समझ में आती है. Sorry, no offense, but वो कहीं रिमोट विलेज में ना कुछ भी खिला देते हैं, वो मुझे नहीं समझ में आता है.
True. One celebrity whose Instagram game you love?
Lewis Hamilton as an athlete, but India-wise, I love Ranveer Singh's Instagram.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I find it very entertaining.
Your answer to those who are pointing out at the box office collection of Ishq Vishk Rebound.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
Your go-to party dance move.
Yes.
What has been the most eventful day in your life till now?
My most eventful day of my life till now is when I shot Gore Gore Mukde in 1.5 days.
Oh.
Yes. 1.5
amazing.
days is my best thing. Yeah.
One of the most scariest experience you've had?
Working with Farah ma'am on set on Gore Gore Mukde. Yes.
Wow, I didn't know I'll get this answer. What is your go-to skincare?
I have a very, very, very nice dear friend and doctor of mine, Dr. Rixin Pereira. उन्होंने मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें दी है because I've battled a lot of skin issues and I still do. So बहुत सारी चीजें अभी एक में नहीं बोल सकता मैं वो करता हूँ मैं.
Right.
जी.
One thing you wish to change about yourself?
Nothing. I'm good. I'm happy. Why to change myself?
Fair.
Yes.
One on-set memory that you can never forget?
One on-set memory on set. I think in the film when I did the scene with me, Rohit, and my dad.
Okay.
And everyone clapped after I did that shot. So that is an unforgettable memory.
Fair. If you could jump into a pool of something, what would that be?
Lots of chocolate.
Ooh,
Yes.
I understand.
And coffee also. I love coffee.
Enact 3 emojis that come to your mind right now.
Anger. I don't know why. But wink because I love to wink. And the love struck one maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your best friend forever.
2 I have, Janvi and Suraj.
Okay.
And my dog Kai.
Ah.
Yes.
One dish you always order while eating out.
Anything related to chicken. I love chicken. Yeah, so chicken.
Okay.
Sorry.
One thing you miss about home when you are traveling.
My dog.
Ah.
My dog and my mama. My mama and my my mama.
So if you had to get a tattoo right now, what would that be?
Ma. Yeah.
Fair. One thing you feel Sahir should have done in the film that he didn't do.
He should have picked up the girl and ran away on the horse with her.
Yeah.
Yes, Sanya. Yeah.
If you had to plan a pamper itinerary for yourself, what would it include?
It would include a trip to the hills with a lot of food where my body doesn't go with 6 packs and my dog with me and lots of music and my best friends. Yeah.
Yes. What would your perfect room look like?
My perfect room. I still have to make my perfect room, but my perfect room will be a massive bed with a nice painting behind. And it has to have a balcony which overlooks the sea like this right now.
Perfect. An art form you wish to learn right now.
An art form I wish I learned right now. I don't know if it comes in art form, but मुझे दूसरी भाषाएं सीखनी है.
Nice.
जी.
Thank you. The most interesting place you have ever visited.
Interesting place. I like a lot of historical things. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. मैं ताजमहल एक्चुअली 5-6 बार जा चुका हूँ लाइफ में, लेकिन मैं थोड़े साल पहले गया था जब मैं एडल्ट बना हूँ और तब जो हमारे गाइड थे वहां पर वी वेंट थ्रू सम लाल बत्ती एंड ऑल, उसने जो मुझे सिखाया है ताजमहल के बारे में, it's the only place in the world where I've gone and I've cried.
Wow.
Yeah. Everyone should go to Taj Mahal.
The what is the best thing that has happened to you the last week?
Should I say it? I mean, isn't it obvious?
Obvious.
I have a film which has come out, which has been my dream for God knows how many years. And on top of that, I'm getting so much love. That is the best thing I could ask for in life. Thank you. Ramesh.
Fair enough. The last time you got pranked or you pranked someone?
I keep pranking people. I pranked today my boy who's with me, Mahinder. I did which I can't say. Yeah.
Okay. If you were an animal, which one would that be?
I would like to be a horse.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see your fascination with horses.
Yes, I love horses.
If you had to get stuck with two celebrities in an elevator, name them.
Woo! I would like it to be two very pretty looking girls.
Name them.
Name, you say. Put me in an elevator with two girls. Chalo, you say.
Deepika.
No, me.
Acha. Alia.
No, okay.
Or tum, Pashmina and Naila.
Yeah, Pashmina. No, I'm done with Pashmina Naila. No Pashmina Naila. No.
If you could know the absolute truth to one question, what that question will be?
When's my next film?
Fair.
Yeah.
Have you crushed on a fictional movie character? If yes, who?
Yeah, of course. I think Geet from Jab We Met.
Yeah.
Yeah, ऐसे बहुत है, but right now Geet from Jab We Met.
If there's an Indian reality show you would be a part of, what would that be?
Indian reality show. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? No, I'm joking. I would like to do some time for Big Boss here. Big Boss works here.
Fair. And lastly, where are you heading after this interview?
I'm going home to meet my parents because they've called me for evening chai. But I'm having coffee.
Right.
Yes.
Thanks.
Thank you, darling. Thank you. This was so nice.